Good morning. How are you today?
I'm great, thank you.
Wonderful. Today, let's talk about your daily routine.
Sure, I'd love to share it.
Great. So, what time do you usually wake up?
I wake up around 6 in the morning.
That's early. What do you do first?
First, I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Good hygiene habits. Then what?
After that, I drink a glass of water.
That's healthy. Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I do a short workout or some stretching.
Nice. How long do you exercise?
Usually for about 20 minutes.
Excellent. Then you take a shower?
Yes, I take a shower and get ready for the day.
What do you wear for work or study?
I usually wear something comfortable but neat.
That's a good choice. What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs, toast, and sometimes fruit.
Sounds delicious.
Yes, I never skip breakfast.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
Coffee, definitely coffee.
Most people love coffee in the morning.
It gives me energy to start my day.
So what do you do after breakfast?
I check my phone and emails.
Modern life.
Yes, then I prepare my bag and leave for work.
What time do you leave home?
Around 8 a.m.,
Do you go by bus or car?
I usually take the bus.
How long does it take to reach work?
Around 30 minutes.
What do you do on the bus?
I listen to English podcasts or music.
That's a great way to learn.
Yes, it helps me practice listening skills.
Excellent idea. When do you start work?
At 9 a.m. sharp.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. It's challenging but interesting.
That's good to hear. What's your job again?
I work as a graphic designer.
Oh, creative work.
Yes, I love designing and creating new ideas.
What's your favorite part of your job?
Seeing my designs come to life.
That must be satisfying.
It really is.
When do you take your lunch break?
Usually around 1 p.m.
What do you eat for lunch?
I like light food, rice, salad, or pasta.
Healthy choices.
I try to stay healthy.
After lunch, do you feel sleepy?
Sometimes, yes.
Me too. It's hard to stay awake after lunch.
That's true, but I usually drink water to stay alert.
Smart trick. When do you finish work?
Around 5 p.m.?
Do you go straight home?
Not always. Sometimes I stop at the supermarket.
To buy groceries?
Yes, exactly.
What do you usually buy?
Fruits, vegetables, and some snacks?
Snacks are important.
Yes, for movie nights.
What time do you reach home?
Around 6 p.m.,
What's the first thing you do after coming home?
I change my clothes and wash my hands.
Clean and responsible.
Then I relaxed on the sofa for a few minutes.
That's the best part of the day.
Yes, I agree.
Do you cook dinner yourself?
Yes, I love cooking.
What do you usually cook?
Chicken curry, sometimes noodles.
That sounds tasty.
You should try it sometime.
I'd love to.
After dinner, I clean the kitchen.
You're very organized.
I try to keep my place neat.
What do you do after dinner?
I watch TV or read a book.
That's relaxing.
Yes, it helps me unwind.
Do you study English at night?
Yes, I study for 30 minutes.
That's excellent practice.
I focus on speaking and pronunciation.
Smart. Do you use apps or books?
Mostly apps and YouTube videos.
Technology makes learning fun.
Exactly. I enjoy it.
What time do you go to bed?
Around 10:30 or 11 p.m.
That's a good schedule.
Yes, I try to sleep for at least 7 hours.
Sleep is important for focus.
I know. I can't function without it.
The same here.
Before bed, I check my phone for messages.
A modern habit we all have.
Then I put it on silent mode.
Smart move.
Sometimes I listen to soft music before sleeping.
That helps you relax.
Yes, it calms my mind.
Do you dream often?
Yes, sometimes funny dreams.
Dreams are part of life.
True. Then the next day begins again.
Another chance to do better.
Yes, I try to improve every day.
That's the right attitude, Sarah.
Thank you.
You have a great daily routine.
I'm still improving, step by step.
That's what matters. Consistency.
Thank you. I'll keep it up.